Welcome to SPHX. I'm Daniel Valenzuela. Our ability to compete in the 21st century depends on our ability to attract, retain, and especially develop talent. And no one does it better than our guest, Dr. Michael Crow, Arizona State University. Dr. Crow, it's an honor to have you here on SPHX.
Right.
Now, ASU, as we know, is the nation's largest public university, and it's also the most innovative university.
Yeah, we're innovative because we figured out how to be a university for students from every socioeconomic background, matched with a world-class research faculty. No one's ever pulled that off before. We've pulled that off. We've also, greatly improved our graduation rate, greatly improved our success activities, greatly expanded our research enterprise, done all of this in a moment of fiscal stress, and other people look and say, that's fantastic, they must really be innovative, and so that's what that's about. It's a new way of thinking about a public university.
You often talk about evolving a culture. Tell us a little bit more about that.
So evolving the culture at ASU has meant moving the university away from being faculty-centric to student-centric, moving away from thinking about the university as our objective and thinking about the community as our objective. So we've become student-centric, we've become family-focused, we've become community-centric, and our goal is to make certain that we can be of greatest service.
Now, Dr. Crow, the SPHX community, this particular show is all about tech, innovation, entrepreneurship, economic development. Now, you found a way to include innovation in literally everything you do at ASU. Can you tell us more about that?
So what we've really done is we've made innovation, what we call valuing entrepreneurship, one of our design aspirations. And so we've made that a reason for our existence. That means in every college, in education, in nursing, in teachers college, in journalism, in engineering, in business, in art, and design, all the things that we have, we've built an entrepreneurial spirit. We've built the mechanism for us to be more innovative, both internal to the university, as well as producing innovative entrepreneurs coming out of the university. So we've been able to make that a central theme. It's like again, a culture change, a different way of doing things.
So the nation's largest public university and the most innovative university in the country. Thank you so much for joining us and everything you do for all of us.
Happy to be here.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm Daniel Valenzuela. Keep watching Yes PHX.